Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit and healthy. Welcome to our English session. Today from English Cloud textbook, we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 11, Degrees of Comparison. Okay. So with this chapter name, you have understood that what is the comparison. Comparison means we have to compare one more than one thing. Okay, हमें compare करना है इसे. Okay, like you have to compare your handwriting with others, means you have to see where it is good or bad, means comparison between two things or more than two things. Okay, so let us see. So comparison means an adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another. Means the adjective of quantity, adjective of quality. Okay, the qualities of adjective when it is used to compare. What we used to compare? One noun with another. एक noun से दूसरे noun को compare करते हैं तो that is degree of comparison. It is called the degree of comparison or of an adjective. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Adjective की degree of comparison. Okay. Then more is we use adjective to compare person or thing. किसे compare करते हैं? A person or a thing. When we make them compare, we use adjectives of different degrees. Okay. When we used to compare both the things, okay, then what we used to compare? The adjective of different degrees. Okay. Now there are 3 degrees of comparison of adjective. There are 3 different degrees of comparison. That is positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. One by one we will continue. Okay. So let us see. When we want to simply describe a person or a thing without making any comparison, we use the positive degree. Okay, when we use positive degree of an adjective, okay, compare हमें किससे करना है? Adjective को. Okay, when we do not make any comparison with anything, okay, हमें कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं करना है किसी से भी, तो हमें वहाँ पे वो होता है पॉजिटिव डिग्री. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. व्हेन यू वांट टू कंपेयर टू पर्सन और थिंग, वी यूज द कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. व्हेन वी हैव टू कंपेयर टू पर्सन्स और टू थिंग्स, ओके, between two person and two things, then that is called comparative degree. Okay, then superlative degree. When we want to compare more than two persons or thing, we use the comparative degree. When we want to compare more than two person, more than two things, then that is called superlative degree. What is in positive degree? Simply describe a person or a thing. Okay, and comparative degree, comparison of two person or two thing, and in superlative degree, more than two person or thing. So these are all about different degrees of comparison. Okay, so let us see formation of comparison of superlative degree. Okay, so first one you have to see positive, then comparative, then superlative. तो इस पे हम कैसे चेंज करते हैं? हम वी आर नॉट यूजिंग द वर्ड एज इट इज़. ओके, इन पॉजिटिव, comparative and superlative degree there are changing of words also. So first we have to see positive is means no only simple comparison. Okay, so किस में change होगा? Only comparative and superlative. So first one is see great, greater, and in superlative it is greatest. Okay, then near, nearer, nearest, poor, poorer, poorest, young, younger, youngest, large, larger, largest, fine, finer, finest, tall, taller, tallest. So here you can see in positive degree first is great, GRET, great, and in comparative degree what you find, we have added ER to it, yes, and in superlative degree we have omitted R and written ST. Okay, you have to this all you have to remember. Okay, there's nothing extra formula to do, or you can remember by reading it. Okay, just I have to say it. First, you second one you can see near, NER, near. Then in comparative degree it is nearer, we have added ER. Then in superlative degree we have added omitted R and write ST, nearest, NEREST. Then poor, poorer, 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 same in all things. Okay, so this is all about formation of comparative superlative in adjectives. Okay, same a hard, harder, hardest, noble, nobler, noblest, big, bigger, biggest, sad, sadder, saddest, easy, easier, easiest. Okay, then in some cases we use more, most along with adjective to form comparative and superlative. वो first one that is simple one. Okay, and in next one we have to add more और most in comparative and superlative degree. more कहाँ यूज़ करना है, comparative degree में, and superlative में most, and where in the play in beside along with the adjective. Okay, so first is positive degree, you see interesting, interesting comparative degree क्या होगा, more interesting, superlative most interesting. What we have done, we have added more and most. So ये भी आपको देखना है कि अगर इंटरेस्टिंग आएगा तो आपको मोर इंटरेस्टिंग लगाना है या मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग. Okay, the spelling, the number, that doesn't changes, only you have to add more and most. Okay, then important, more important, most important, intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, tired, more tired, most tired. Okay, then next is some adjective do not follow these rules. Okay, first one we have seen in we have added ER, okay, and EST to comparative and superlative. Next what we have done, we have added comparatively more and in superlative most. But in some cases the rules doesn't exist. Okay, so like positive good, then comparative better, best. यहाँ पे हमने ER भी नहीं लगाया और superlative में EST भी नहीं लगा, पर and we have not added more and most. Okay, so this is not following the rules, but it has a comparative superlative degree also, like good, better, best. Okay, much and many, more and most, bad, worse, worst, old, older or elder, oldest, eldest, far, further, farthest, late, later, latest. Okay, this all you have to remember, not that just seeing it you have get idea, but you have to remember where to have add the comparative and superlative degree. Okay, so once again I want to say you that where you have to add positive degree when there is no comparison between. Okay, and where you have to use comparative degree where you have to compare two persons or thing, and in superlative degree more than two persons or more than two things, there we have to add superlative degree. Okay, so students, I hope you like this chapter and like this video and understood what is in the degree of comparison. Okay, so watch this video carefully and for your reference read the book once. Okay, thank you everyone.